These 9 hikers went missing in the mountains. They made a simple rule that night: no one leaves the tent after dark. In 1959, a group of hikers camped high in Russia's Ural mountains. That night, they ran out their tent barefoot. Weeks later, rescuers found their camp. Inside the tent, their boots were still lined up. Their food was untouched, but the tent had been cut open from within. The first 2 bodies were found barefoot near the trees. 3 more lay frozen in the snow, trying to crawl back. Months later, the last 4 were discovered under the ice: crushed ribs, a fractured skull, one woman without her tongue. Some of their clothes even tested radioactive. These were experienced hikers, so whatever happened that night, it made freezing to death look like the better option.